What is up, Heidi's, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I did this cute little hairstyle, so stay tuned. What is up, Heidi's? So I realized I did not record this part, so this is a pre-recorded clip that I'm just gonna insert here because I did the exact same thing. So I'm just going ahead and applying the black gel here. In this video I used the Wetline Extreme, but I realized that the black gel and Pro style, which I'm gonna show you at the end of this video, it works much better on my hair. So after applying the black gel, I go ahead and I apply the Gorilla Snot, and then I'm going to use my hard bristle brush and I'm just gonna brush it all up. So stay tuned for the rest of the video. So much fun driving through the hills, and you are on my mind. I keep paying bills that you bring all the time. I need simple things like love. I need simple things like trust, but you can't give them to me. Get your stuff and go. Pack up all these clothes. You always want something. You keep running all over Beverly Hills, and I have more to give. Tired of just paying bills. Even though you're with me, you're against me. So I'm breaking up Miss Beverly Hills. I am breaking up with Miss Beverly Hills. So this is actually a piece that I have on. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I put the piece on. This is how to get the high puff without doing too much. I got this piece from the beauty supply store, and as you can see, it's a drawstring and it's very tightly coiled. It's I think on the package it had Kinky Curly. I don't remember what brand it is. All I know is any hair store that you go to, any beauty supply store, they have like these pieces. So just try to get this piece that looks like a little puff, and this is perfect for 4C hair. So all I do is I put it on like so. I stick the comb in like so. This one in the front, I don't really put it in, but I try to. So I go ahead and I put that comb in, and then I pull the drawstring, tighten it up a little bit, and then I tuck it underneath, and then I just go ahead and I play with the hair. I stretch it out a little bit, you know, stretch it out, make it look real cute. And then I go ahead and I take 2 hairpins and I just stick it in just to secure it a little bit. Just to secure it a little bit, and that's it. Real easy, real cute. So the next thing I do is I go ahead, like if you look in to see like my hair, how it looks all nice and sleek and wavy, I'm using Gorilla Snot gel, and I am using this Pro style, also known as the black gel. This black gel is bomb for all tight hair. So I apply the black gel first, and I apply the Gorilla Snot. And y'all know the beauty supply store sells these brushes. The bristles like really hard. Yeah, the bristles really hard. This is the perfect brush for this. So I just take the brush and I sleek it up, and it works perfectly every time. And once you tie it down and let it dry, it will come out nice and sleek. And this style is super cute, super easy for days where, you know, you don't want to mess with your hair too much, but you still trying to look cute. So this is the style, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.